Last question. We have a new table. So we have positive, negative, and then we have some columns. These are users. These are non-users. And then our subtotals. This one we have 407, and these are of negative results. And something, this would be of positive results. And then this will, whatever this number, this was 25 of users. And then we don't have an answer, but this is of non-users. And the numbers, we have 22, 21, and 404. Now, the first one that's kind of easy to figure out is, I mean, we can do this subtotal. This is 22 plus 21, which equals 43. So we can figure that one out. We have two ways of figuring this one out. We have the totals, so we know question mark plus 404 equals 407. And so then we can get 3 is equal to 407 minus 404. We could have also figured this out with question mark. So question mark plus 22 equals 25. So 25 minus 22 is equal to 3. So either way, we get 3 in that spot. So now we filled out the table so we can answer the questions. Did you see incorrect results? Did you see 3 athletes using PEDS receive a negative test result? This means the test incorrectly identified these athletes. Report your answers to the nearest 10%. Think about this situation. An athlete is not using PEDS. So that is this column. They're not, so we're in that subset of not using PEDS. What is the percent chance of the athlete's test result is negative? So we have the negative here of the non-users. Oh, I never finished this table here. I need the total here. So I have 21, so this is 425. So 21 plus 404 is 425. So for this one, of the non-users, what is the chance that the athlete will have a negative? So we have 404 negative results out of 425 tests. Non-users took. So the math we need to do is 404 divided by 425, and then we times it by that 100% because they want the 100%. Let's see if I'll type it in my calculator correct this time. 404. I'm expecting a high number like 90%. Expecting roughly 90%, percent or more. I mean, so it's nice to have like an estimate. 404 divided by 425 times 100, and I have 95.05 percent. They want it to the nearest 10th of a percent. So I look, this is plus 1, so I'm going to do a 95.1%. Should be my answer I'm going to enter in. 95.1, return. All right, the next question. What percent of all tests were correct results? All right, so this is a little bit, let's see if I can erase object. So I want to erase this circle I made. Okay. All right, so the next thing I need to do, I need one more value here. It is of all tests. So we need to know the total number of tests here, which would be we can do it about two ways. It's going to be 25 plus 425, 450. Or we can also do 43 plus 407, and we still get 450. So in either way, we have 450 total tests. So that's the first thing. So we have out of 450 tests. So we've got that figured out. But now correct results. Correct results are twofold. It's users and positive, and non-users and negative. So we need two sets of numbers. So users and positive is this number, so that's 22, and non-users and negative was this number, 404. So we add them together and we get 404 plus 22, and we get 426. So this is 426 out of 450. So the math there is 426 divided by 450 times 100%. And we get 426 divided by 450. Nope, I did divide, I need times 100. And I have right now 94.66. I'm rounding to the 10th plus 1, so this becomes 94.7%. Oh, my cat is on the keyboard. That's what was happening. 94.7%. Yay, that's the end of the review.